Hi guys, it's me, Chris Cook, your real estate resource at Rovithis Realty. Have you been looking for one floor living? Look no further, here it is. When you enter, you're greeted with a spacious, open living area. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a finished basement. Enjoy your coffee on the back deck while overlooking your garden and backyard space. I hope you enjoyed your tour here at 84 Blair Hill Road in Agawam. If you have any questions on this listing or any other listing, please call me at the number below. At Rovithis Realty, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and I want to work with you.